We guide you through how to remove a password, PIN, or pattern from your Samsung phone. Start by unlocking your device, then go to Settings, scroll down and tap Lock Screen, and select Secure Lock Settings. Enter your current password, PIN, or pattern to proceed, then tap on Screen Lock Type and choose None or Swipe to disable all security locks instantly. If your phone asks for confirmation, simply tap Remove Data or Continue depending on your model. And just like that, your lock screen protection is removed. If you forgot your password and can't access your phone, don't worry. Go to another device and visit Samsung Find My Mobile. Log in using your Samsung account, select your registered phone, and click Unlock. Then, confirm your identity and wait a few seconds for the process to complete remotely. Once done, your phone will automatically remove the password or lock screen without deleting your files. Always remember, removing your lock screen means your phone is less secure, so only do this if necessary.